kitchen whipping verses and a hook, yo. Let me at it, let me at it. You ain't original, you just a crook, bro. Here's the recipe, learn to cook, bro. My style goes. Here's a very basic tutorial on how to make two different styles of hip-hop beats using pretty much the same pattern in Fruity Loop Studio. I'm using FL Studio 7, but I think this applies to most versions of the program. So let's start by taking the tempo down to 88. Let's go over to the step sequencer. Click on that. Load up your hi-hats. I like to have it running while I'm making the beat. I find the same hi-hat. That you're using now and put another one underneath that. Add a few on the end. Go back over here. Go up all the way to the humanizing tab, where you'll see a 50% swing function. Boom, load up your second hi-hat. That nice detail. Let's add our kicks and snares. Oop. There we go. Alrighty, stop. Now to create that golden era classic hip hop feel, we're gonna mute the second hi-hat. Now we're gonna adjust that swing meter here in the step sequencer. Take it up about halfway. Hit play. And it's that simple. Hear the change. Alright, stop. Now I'm going to show y'all how to make an intro before we export the beat. So highlight everything in your step sequencer. Copy. Go to the pattern selector, usually the next one up. Paste. Now go to the beats per bar on the step sequencer. Select one. Now switch to song mode, very important. Now go to the grid and select the pattern where you have one beat per bar and create your intro like this. And just fill out the rest. There's your intro. Stop. Let's export it. I've uploaded the beat into GarageBand so I could record my vocals and keys. And like I said, it's a really basic tutorial on how to write drums in Fruity Loops. Hope y'all found it useful. Like, subscribe, all that. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Until then, let's appreciate you watching, and let's check out this final product here. All right. Hip hop parade, hold the beat like Play-Doh, you know. Bringing the heat, you better stop, drop, and roll. Look, bro, I'm the style cook, bro. In the kitchen whipping verses and a hook, yo. Let me at it, let me at it. You ain't original, you just a crook, bro. Here's the recipe, learn to cook, bro. My style goes deep like James Cameron. Past the Titanic, blast the gigantic. Projectile, missile, damn it. Busting out the top like Janet. Bucking all the trends, going ham sandwich. So dope that I'm sick, man, damn it.